Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The basics and the exercise number 1, 2 and 3 are already covered in the previous video. You can get the link from the description. Today we'll be doing exercise number 2.4. Like in every video, before starting any exercise or any type of new sum, we start with the basics and the formulas. In this video, same way I'll be explaining you the formulas of the cubic polynomial. In cubic polynomial, we know the general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a, b and c are the coefficient and d is the constant, and let zeros be alpha, comma, beta and gamma. Why? Because cubic polynomial has 3 zeros, so alpha, beta and gamma. Now relationship between zeros and coefficient. We have three formulas. First formula is sum of 0, nothing but sum of alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but minus b by a. Here minus b is what? It is coefficient of x square. So minus of coefficient of x square by a is what? Coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x cube. So now the second formula is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, means sum of product of the zeros taken at a time. The formula is c by a, nothing but c is what? Here coefficient of x. So coefficient of x by a is coefficient of the x cube. So coefficient of x cube. The third formula is product of the zero, nothing but alpha into beta into gamma is minus d by a. D is what? The constant term. So minus of constant term by a is what? The coefficient of x cube. So these are the formula. Now we'll be starting the first sum of the exercise number 2.4. The first question of the exercise 2.4 says, verify the number given alongside of the cubic polynomial are there zeros, and also verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. So they have given a polynomial, cubic polynomial, and also the zeros. First question is telling that we need to verify whether these zeros are the zeros of this cubic polynomial, and also we need to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. So to verify whether these are the zeros, you need to substitute here line by line, like write p of 1 by 2, substitute in the place of x 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 the whole cube is what? 1 cube is what? 1. 2 cube is what? 8. Same way, plus 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4 minus 5 ones are is 5 by 2 and plus 2. So put by 1. Now 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2 by 1. Now take LCM. LCM is what? 4. So into 1 you get plus 1. Here also into 1 plus 1. Here into 2. So minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Here into 4. So 2 fours are is 8 plus 8. So by simplifying this, you get plus 10 minus 10 by 4, which is nothing but 0 by 4, which is equal to 0. So by substituting 1 by 2, we got 0, which means 1 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Same way we need to check for 1 and minus 2 also. Now p of 1. Substituting 1 in the place of x, 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. So 2 into 1 1 cube is nothing but 1. 1 2s are is 2. Same way 1 square is 1. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 plus 2. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5, minus 5 is 0. So we got 0, so we can tell 1 is the 0 of this cubic polynomial. Now we need to check the third 0, p of minus 2. So substituting minus 2 in the place of x, so 2 into minus 2 the whole cube plus minus 2 the whole square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. So 2 into 2 minus 2 cube is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, so minus. Same way 2 square is 4 and minus into minus is plus, and minus 5 into minus 2 is plus 10, because minus into minus 10, minus into minus is plus, and 5 2s are 10 and plus 2. Same way 2 into minus 8 is minus 16 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2. So same way minus 16, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, so plus 16, which is equal to 0. So I can tell minus 2 is the 0 of the given cubic polynomial. So at last you should tell, so 1 by 2 comma 1 comma minus 2 are the zeros of 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. Now we need to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So we need to do by formula and also by substitution. So the polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 5 and d is 2. So first product sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma. The formula is minus b by a. So minus b, nothing but minus of b is 1 by a is what? 2. Now we need to verify by substitution, like alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha is 1 by 2 plus beta is 1 plus gamma is minus 2. So by 1 by 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 plus into minus is minus 2 by 1. The LCM is 2. So into 1 is 1 plus into 2 is 2. Then into 2 into 2. So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, which is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 4 by 2, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So we verified the first relationship. Now we need to verify the second relationship. The second relationship is alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. The formula is C by A. So here the C is what? This is A, B, C, D. C is minus 5. So minus 5 by 2. A is 2. Same way by substituting alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha is 1 by 2 into beta is 1 plus 1 into gamma is minus 2 plus gamma is minus 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Same way 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 and 2 gets cancelled. It is plus into minus is minus 1. So taking LCM, LCM is 2 into 1 is 1 into 2 is minus 4 into 2 is minus 2. So 1 minus 6 by 2, nothing but minus 5 by 2. So we verified the second relationship. Now the third relationship is alpha into beta into gamma. The formula is minus d by a. So d is what? Plus 2. So minus of 2 by a is 2. So 2 gets cancelled. It is minus 1. Now by substitution, alpha beta into gamma is equal to alpha is 1 by 2 into beta is 1 into minus 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So 1 into 1 is minus 1 is minus 1. So we verified the relationship. This sum ends here. Now I'll summarize you the entire problem. The question says we need to verify that the given zeros are the zeros of this polynomial, and also we need to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of this polynomial. To verify that these zeros are the zeros of this polynomial, you need to substitute line by line, like p of 1 by 2, substitute in this polynomial. If you get 0, this is the 0 of this polynomial. Same way, substituting p of 1, you are getting 0. So we can tell that 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Same way, substituting minus 2 in the given polynomial, we get 0. So I can tell minus 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. So at last I can tell 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Now verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Should do by the formula and by the substitution also. So there are three formulas, alpha plus beta and gamma. Substitute by the formulas and also by the substitution method. Same way for the second formula, by the formula method and by the substitution method, you are getting same. Same way by the product of the zeros by the formula method and for the substitution method also you are getting same. So we verified the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So guys, this sum completes here. The rest of the sum I will be continuing in the next video. At the end of the video, I will be displaying the formulas which we discussed today. Do press the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the notification of all my latest video. Thank you. Jai Hind.